Hey, what's up? How you doing today? I'm helping my friend work on his '06 Ford F150 rear doors. The '04 to '08s are kind of a pain with these cables. So the main tools you need are a 6mm socket and a T25 Torx screwdriver, and you probably need a ratchet too because the factory puts Loctite on these screws. Probably need a flat blade screwdriver and some good pliers like this. Some lube for the cables and latches because they'll stick and give you trouble. But I think, let's see, you start with the 6mm and take these three dark screws off. There's three, two at the top, one at the bottom here. And what else? Let's see, you'll probably have to use that same 6mm and take this handle off first. If it's stuck closed, you'll have to reach in with some needle nose pliers and pull up from the side on the cable to get it to open. And let's see, once you get all the panels off, you can test it with this off and see how it's doing. But the problem is one of the main problems is you got to replace these are rubber from the factory, so we replaced most of these with the aluminum here and here, and at the bottom too. You can't see it because I got the handle on. But they'll crumble and these latches will stick, so try and lube them real good first and maybe you'll get lucky. But we replaced this whole bottom cable and latch and it's working pretty good right now. Once you get the panels off, you can put this handle back on and just test it and make sure it's working alright before you put the panels all back on. And what else? What am I forgetting? My buddy Joe used this this good lube on one of the latches and got it to free up. Soaked it good, probably several hours or overnight or something. Maybe a whole day, whatever works. But it's been more of a royal pain in the butt for us than we realized it was going to be. So it just takes a lot of patience and keep working with it. Keep fine-tuning and tweaking the tension. You use this to adjust the tension on the top up here. I guess it affects the bottom too. But you pop this yellow out and this pulls out and you can move it up or down and fine-tune it. I will share a link in the description of this video with this girl that has a longer video that's very thorough, and she did a really good job. I think that was the most helpful video that we watched. So I guess that's about it. Am I forgetting anything? Oh, let's see. This is the biggest screw you need. I used you can use an 8mm or a 5/16 for this screw that goes when this panel just kind of slides down on there, and it goes right there in one of these those type of nuts in there. This part just pops up with a flat blade screwdriver, and then you pull this plug through that hole there. But I think that's about it. I guess I forgot this little cover. You need like a small little pocket screwdriver to pop that thing out. I think it goes like that. Pop it out from the top. I think that's about it. If you're fooling with this, good luck. Wish you the best. Have a good one and take care. Bye.